Can I explain now, please? So, in the long run, we call it the long run because all factors are variable, which means we can switch them from one to another. So here in the long run, we have our aggregate demand, which is our AD, must be equal to the long run aggregate supply. So that's why it's in the long run. Wage is flexible. Whatever we need to do in the long run is always flexible. So there's always time. There's always time in between to switch land, to switch labor, to switch capital, to suit whatever we want. That's why it's in the long run. So what you have to understand in the long run, like I said earlier, is that your AD must equal to your long run aggregate supply. That's why it's in the long run. Any question about the long run aggregate supply? Now, in the long run, we have the Keynesian long run and we have the classical long run. So we have two long runs. We have the Keynesian and the classical. Are you with me, please? So move on. So the long run of the Keynesian. According to the Keynesian, they believe an economy will not reach full employment. So there's always going to be unemployment. And with unemployment, that is the only time a firm will not incur more cost. But trying to reach full employment will bring about a rise in the price level from P to P1. According to Keynesian, the economy is not necessarily important for the economy to reach full employment before the long run aggregate supply curve can increase. But if the economy is trying to attain full employment, it will bring about pressure in demand for labor. So an increase in demand for labor will increase the cost of production for firms. So in the long run, for the long run aggregate supply curve to shift rightward from P here, LR, this will be 1, and this will be LR AS2. It will bring about a rightward shift. This will bring about an increase in the cost of production, which will bring about a rise in the price level. So for the Keynesian, the economy will be able to increase its long run, it's going to be able to increase its output when it's not at full employment. That is the only place where the price will be constant. Get the point here. For the Keynesian, they believe the economy can reach the long run aggregate supply at this point if they are unemployed resources. These are unemployed resources. But if the economy is trying to reach full employment, it will bring about a rise in price. Reaching full employment here will bring about what? A rise in price from P to P1. That's according to Keynesian. Do we understand the Keynesian here? Any question about the Keynesian? So do you want to write anything here? So there's unemployed resources here. Okay, let me just write down anyway. So the graph is well explanatory. The point is, trying to achieve full employment to increase your long run aggregate supply curve will bring about a rise in price. The price will not remain at P anymore. The price will shift to what? To P1. Do you see the point here? At the same price at Y2, we are trying to reach Y2 by attaining full employment. The price is expected to rise from P to P1. Do we get it? Do we understand this? Okay.